First of all, thanks for Startup Lanes for giving an opportunity for Brick Spaces. I'm Madhu here, founder of Brick Spaces. Unfortunately, we just gotten late, so that I don't have the presentation. But having said that, I'll still run through. Uh, Coming to my background, I'm an engineer, mechanical engineer. I was working with Volvo for around 8 years, handled multiple projects, mostly into strategy and project management, handled more than $2 billion projects for Central Europe. I was also part of Mac, Renault Nissan in Japan, and also Eicher in India. So startup always was very close to me. I did try few startups, when I was in Volvo as well. Incred was the first one, though I didn't, it didn't take off. 2015 is when I quit and started a startup called Just Practicals. Purely, there's a lot of African and Middle East students coming to India at that point of time. Just wanted to see the reason, why they're coming here. So we found out a solution that, a lot of India, the perception of India for them is, India is really good at technology. But having said that, they didn't have the technology courses, so they had this massive universities. We just collaborated with universities and did the programs. Central Africa is where we were operating. We did pretty well. But having said that, there was a lot of times I had to be in Africa and had to continue. So I took an exit. It was a successful exit and came back. That point in time, real estate was very interesting, which we had to look into. It was very unorganized, and we thought there's definitely a solution we have to look into. That's where WeWork started, and all the premium co-working started. So we thought everyone are at premium co-working at 20-25,000 per seat. Why don't we give a basic functional office and then kind of kickstart? But having said that, you get into cities and see second, third floors, a lot of spaces are empty as well. We thought let us not put anything on capex. Let's see if we can do a revenue share with the landlord. We went to few places. We started in Kalyan Nagar. HRBR Kammanalli is where we started. So we went to a couple of landlords. We just told that rather than keeping it unoccupied for more than 2 years, we thought we'll get the lease, do the management, and take it off. It clicked. So this was all the pilot what we were doing. I think within a month we just filled the space completely, and then the same we got so much demand that another property which took close by, that was full. We went to Kammanalli. I think third property was also 100% occupied. So within I think 3 months time, all the three properties were full. I think that's where WeWork Labs were putting application. We applied to WeWork Labs, and we are a first prop tech startup selected by WeWork. So we are a WeWork incubated startup. So that's been the journey, and it's been 8 months. We incorporated the company after that, and we saw a lot of trends and patterns happening in premium co-working. So one thing is, because it's so expensive, it's fantastic. The co-working as such is fantastic for people to get into, startup, freelancers, and all of that. But having said that, I think if someone is crossing 20 plus, it's very, very expensive for them. But all the millennials are used to the quirky interiors, the office looks, because of the productivity, efficiency, and all of that. But when they are moving out, there's no one who is supporting them to kind of handheld take them further. We thought that's an opportunity. We thought let us have a private office. So no one were looking at the private offices. So we targeted the SME clients, or someone 20 plus or 50 plus. So as I said, unorganized, because all the IPCs were looking at only super built grade A buildings and all of that. All the enterprises were going to them. Everyone wants enterprises, but no one is looking at the SME clients. So we started this, and immediately we started getting a traction. We told this to WeWork because we are part of the ecosystem. We told we will look into, if someone is going out, that's where we want to start helping them. So immediately we got traction within, I think now it's already 8 months. So we already generated 1.5 crores of revenue. We already have an order of another 1 crore of revenue for execution in another couple of months. So it's really going strong. So we are raising a first seed investment. So we want to raise at a pre-valuation of $3.5 million. For $500,000. So $300 we have already received from the co-founder of the unicorn startup, and second, the top developer of India. So we're looking at the remaining $200,000, and also I've come here basically for three things. One, any strategy collaboration, with the builders, for example, or anything like that. Second, if someone wants space, we are more than happy to take them. And the third, possible investment opportunity.